Hello everyone, welcome to the Solam Tutor. I'm a Purbaru invitation to English for the passive activity 1 and activity 2 and the passive related बहुत किछि डिस्कस करि सारिछे। तो जो माने एपर्यंत वीडियो गुड़ाक देखि नांती प्लीज ए वीडियोर डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स रे लिंक शेयर करा जाइछि देखि नेबे किंबा ए चैनल प्लेलिस्ट को जाई देखि नेबे एंड आपण माने जदि एपर्यंत एही चैनल टी को सब्सक्राइब करि नांती प्लीज चैनल टी को आगे सब्सक्राइब कर दियंतु। सो चलंतु स्टार्ट करिबा आज वीडियो। आज आमे द पैसिव रो एक्टिविटी 3, 4 एंड 5 डिस्कस करिबा। तो स्टार्ट करिबा एक्टिविटी 3 रु देखिबा क्वेश्चन कोन देछि। यूज द वर्ब्स गिवन इन ब्रैकेट्स इन द करेक्ट फॉर्म। तो एठारे वर्ब गुडी को ब्रैकेट रे दिया जाइछि, आमे सेमानकर करेक्ट फॉर्म एठारे लेखिबा। तो देखिबा फर्स्ट ए सेंटेंस को ओरिजिनली दिस नोवेल ब्रैकेट रे देछि वर्ब राइट इन हिंदी बट इट पुनी ब्रैकेट रे देछि ट्रांसलेट इनटू ओरिया इन 1985। तो यह हेजिबो आंसर ओरिजिनली दिस नोवेल was written in Hindi but it was translated into Oriya in 1985। यह सिंपल पास्ट रो पैसिव फॉर्म होई जिवो। देन बी सेंटेंस को देखिबा चीज मेक अछि वर्ब फ्रॉम मिल्क। तो यह सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस। तो यह सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस रो पैसिव फॉर्म होई जिवो। तो यह होई जिवो चीज इज मेड फ्रॉम मिल्क। देन सी सेंटेंस को देखिबा देयर वाज एन accident this afternoon. Somebody called an ambulance, but as nobody bracket injured, the ambulance then bracket not required. The error answer is there was an accident this afternoon. Somebody called an ambulance, but as nobody was injured, the ambulance was not required. Then this sentence को देखिबा The office is in a mess. The telephone bracket रे अछि never answer. Non proper records पुनी bracket रे अछि keep and ostapal no reports पुनी bracket रे अछि write। तो यार आंसर इजबा the office is in a mess. The telephone is never and non-proper records are kept and ostapal no reports are written। Then e sentence को देखिबा a 3-year-old girl who hid in a shack while her mother was picking potatoes bracket अछि run over by a tractor at a farm in Karnataka। तो यार आंसर इजबा a 3-year-old girl who hid in a shack while her mother was picking potatoes was run over by a tractor at a farm in Karnataka। Then sentence app को देखिबा a tree is lying across the road. It bracket रे अछि blow down in the storm। तो यार आंसर इजबा a tree is lying across the road. It is blown down in the storm। Then G sentence को देखिबा the letter bracket रे अछि post a week ago and it arrived yesterday। तो यार आंसर इजबा the letter was posted a week ago and it arrived yesterday। यार आंसर इजबा। Then H sentence को देखिबा two people bracket रे अछि report then अछि injured in a bomb explosion at a factory in Kolkata early this morning। तो यार आंसर इज two people are reported injured in a bomb explosion at a factory in Kolkata early this morning। Then next देखिबा a new museum bracket अछि built in the city then अछि work started last year and the museum ब्रैकेट पुणी अच्छी एक्सपेक्ट टू ओपन नेक्स्ट ईयर। तो यह प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट तो यह प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव पेसिव फॉर्म हो तो यह ए न्यू म्यूजियम इज बीइंग built in the city. Work started last year and the museum is expected to open next year. तो ये एक्टिविटी 3 देन एक्टिविटी 4 देखिबा क्वेश्चन देछि एठारे रीराइट द फॉलोइंग न्यूज़पेपर रिपोर्ट यूजिंग पैसिव फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब तो एठारे गोटे न्यूज़पेपर रिपोर्ट देछि तो वर्ब गुड़िकर पैसिव फॉर्म यूज करी आमे पुणी थरे न्यूज़पेपर रिपोर्ट को लेखिबा तो देखिबा रिपोर्ट टी कोन देछि Thieves held the manager of the Taj Hotel at gunpoint last night during a daring raid in which they took nearly 5 lakh from the hotel chef. They also broke into several of the bedrooms and removed articles of value. The thieves made their escape through the kitchen where they damaged several pieces of equipment. They injured the chef when he tried to stop them and left him lying unconscious on the floor. Police arrested the thieves early this morning. तो यह थीव्स मान गोटे न्यूज़पेपर रिपोर्ट एंड एठारे फर्स्ट सेंटेंस टी थीव्स हेल्ड द मैनेजर ऑफ द ताज होटल एट गन पॉइंट लास्ट नाइट यही सेंटेंस को एठारे पैसिव फॉर्म रे चेंज करा जाइछि एंड फर्स्ट सेंटेंस रो आंसर अछि एठारे द मैनेजर ऑफ द ताज होटल वाज हेल्ड एट गन पॉइंट लास्ट नाइट देन एठारे सेकंड सेंटेंस टी हेजिबो दे टुक नियरली 5 lakh from the hotel safe तो यार आंसर हो नियरली 5 lakh was taken from the hotel safe by them एठारे मेंशन कले चलिबो न कले भी चलिबो कारण एठारे आमे एजेंट को भलसे जानिछि देन नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस टी हेजिबो दे आल्सो ब्रोक इनटू सेवरल ऑफ द बेडरूम्स तो यार आंसर हेजिबो सेवरल ऑफ द बेडरूम्स वर आल्सो broken into. Then next sentence टी हेजिबो they removed articles of value sorry they also removed articles of value तो यार आंसर हेजिबो articles of value were also removed. Then fifth sentence टी हेजिबो they damaged several pieces of equipment तो यार आंसर हेजिबो several pieces of equipment were damaged by them. Then next sentence टी हिजबो they injured the chef when he tried to stop them तो यार आंसर हिजबो the chef was injured by them when he tried to stop them. Then next sentence टी हिजबो they left him lying unconscious on the floor तो यार आंसर हिजबो he was left unconscious on the floor. Then next sentence टी Police arrested the thieves early this morning. तो यार आंसर हिजबो the thieves were arrested by the police early this morning. तो यह थिला एक्टिविटी 4 रो आंसर देन अछि एक्टिविटी 5 एठारे क्वेश्चन देछि the following is a part of a newspaper report use the verbs supplied in the blanks in their appropriate forms तो एठारे गोटे न्यूज़पेपर रिपोर्ट रो पार्ट देछि एंड ब्रैकेट रे दिया जाइथबा वर्ब्स गुड़िकर आमे एप्रोप्रिएट फॉर्म लेखिबा तो आपण माने गोटे कथा मन रखंतु आमे जेते बेले भी न्यूज़पेपर रिपोर्ट बा रिपोर्ट राइटिंग लेखिताओ एठारे सब बेले पास्ट टेंस बा पास्ट टेंस रो प्रोग्रेसिव फॉर्म यूज होई थाए तो फर्स्ट ए रे देछि In Bhubaneswar, yesterday, a shopkeeper bracket अछि forced to hand over Rs 10,000 after पुणी bracket अछि threatened by a man with a knife. The man escaped in a car which पुणी bracket अछि still earlier in the day. Later, the car bracket अछि found in a garage where it bracket अछि abandoned by the thief. A man who bracket अछि suspect of पुणी bracket अछि involved in the robbery bracket अछि arrested and पुणी bracket अछि questioned by the police. तो यार आंसर हो इन भुवनेश्वर yesterday a shopkeeper was forced to hand over Rs 10,000 after being threatened by a man with a knife. The man escaped in a car which was stolen earlier in the day. Later, the car was found in a garage where it was abandoned by the thief. A man who was suspected of being involved in the robbery was arrested and was questioned by the police. Then Bidachi, the state library bracket damaged in a fire last Sunday. The fire, which bracket discovered at about 11 p.m., spread very quickly. Nobody bracket injured, but two people had to bracket rescue from a room upstairs. A number of valuable books bracket burned. It bracket not know how the fire started. तो यार आंसर हो द स्टेट लाइब्रेरी was damaged in a fire last Sunday. The fire, which was discovered at about 11 p.m., spread very quickly. Nobody was injured, but two people had to be rescued from a room upstairs. A number of valuable books were burnt. It was not known how the fire started. तो एथिला एक्टिविटी 5. नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे आमे एक्टिविटी 6, 7 and 8 डिस्कस करिबा. So till that keep watching and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.